Hi, we'll be doing simultaneous equation word problem, that is exercise 6C, question number 17. 5 years ago, A's age was 4 times the age of B. 5 years hence, A's age will be twice the age of B. Find their present age. So such sum where there is age problem, we first assume the present age. So we will assume A's present age be X and B's present age be Y. We have two variables. Now what we need to find 5 years ago. So we will write here 5 years ago. Now 5 years ago, A was how much? It will be minus from the present age, 5 years, and B will be minus Y minus 5, 5 years back. What is the relationship? It says A was 4 times the age of B. So that means A was 4 times B. A is X minus 5 and 4 times Y minus 5. Y minus 5 will be inside the bracket because that's the age. And we are multiplying it, the whole thing with 4. So put it inside the bracket. Now X minus 5 is equal to 4Y minus 20. That is, get all the variable on one side and the constant on the other. X minus 4y plus minus is the operation, 20 minus 5 is 15 and the sign of the bigger number. So this comes out to be my equation 1. X minus 4y is equal to minus 15. Now we will read the question ahead. 5 years hence means afterwards, after 5 years. So we will find out 5 years hence. 5 years hence. 5 years hence, A will be X plus 5 and B will be Y plus 5. And what is the relation given? A's age will be twice the age of B. That means A is 2 times B. That means X plus 5 is 2 times Y plus 5. Now we will solve it. X plus 5 is equal to 2Y plus 5 2s are 10. Get all the variable on one side. That is X minus 2Y is equal to 10 minus 5. That is 5. So X minus 2Y is equal to 5. This become my second equation. Now we will solve this first equation and the second equation simultaneously. Fine. So we will write it. We are writing here X minus, what was that? 4y. X minus 4y is equal to minus 15. First equation. And the second equation is X minus 2y is equal to 5. Now the coefficient of x is same. So we will subtract the second equation from the first. For subtracting, we will change the sign of all the terms in the second equation. So this becomes the thing, right? Okay. Now it is x cancel, minus 4y plus 2y becomes minus 2y, right? And minus 15 minus 5 becomes minus 20. Fine. This becomes minus 20. Let's solve this. Minus cancel. Y is equal to 20 by 2, that is 10. Now we will put the value of y in equation 1. That is x minus 4y is equal to minus 15. This one. So this becomes x minus 4y, y is 10, minus 40 is minus 15, right? So x is minus 15 plus 40. That becomes 40 minus 15. 5, 3 minus 1, 2. X is 25.